Welcome to another episode of Rummin with Rumsey, presented by Swimlane and me Lenny. Yes, and me Benny. These dogs are all I have. I'd be nothing without them. It be Cybersecurity Awareness Month, so we're going to talk about cybersecurity awareness training. Can't really get around it. Sort of a benchmark requirement for compliance. So how I view security awareness training is no one wants to take it, and so that's why I 100% vouch for go custom. Making custom security awareness training is free. It's more impactful than generic training, and our sales guys are trying to close deals. You think I'm gonna make them watch a video about phishing? No. All right, so first of all, it's a quick training. It's 5 modules, text content, maybe a couple screenshots, no videos, phishing, and then we got the phishing quiz. We have Swimlane's acceptable use policy. It covers a lot. I'd say that's the biggest section in here, and then a quiz over it. Passwords and access control module, and then the quiz. Privacy and data security, with a short quiz after. Those are the 4 general topics. The 5th module, policy acknowledgement. You know, you're getting everyone together to do this mandatory training, might as well have them acknowledge policies. Our acceptable use policy, information security policy, just a general one. Short and to the point, can't stress that enough. A couple of highlights in the 2024 training, the rise of Gen AI. There's a whole section about how getting phished is a lot easier now in 2024 with the bad guys having all of these AI tools to just craft better emails, voice calls, video calls. Like they can literally get your face and send a video message. Spoofed domains, it looks like a legitimate Microsoft login screen. I think it's good to have some further awareness about how on the rise that is. Reinforcing our ChatGPT policy, having WPA2 enabled Wi-Fi networks, like if you're out in public. So I finished all the content, I put it in the LMS, I get a sample group of the security team and some other volunteers to pilot the training. The ideal time range for this is 20 to 30 minutes. Now comes the annoying part of having everyone in the business do it. Managers that have direct reports, having the accountability of the managers hounding down their people makes this go so much quicker rather than having the GRC guy wearing a Hawaiian shirt telling them to do it 6 times. Oh, me did. Okay, so training's out, it's shipped to all employees. I'm monitoring for completion. I put a 2-week window on it, quick turnaround. You're a compliance guy, what do you do now that everyone's done with the training? First, evidence, the training outline. I cannot tell you how many questionnaire questions we get from customers specifically asking, like, what is in our cybersecurity awareness training? Getting a copy of the content that I made and just packaging that up in a PDF for the auditors, throwing that into anecdotes. Shout out anecdotes. There's kind of 2 times people would take cybersecurity awareness training in the compliance world, and one is at hire and one is annual. So when you do this as an annual exercise, once everyone in the company has completed it and you get that 100%, that's when you should be packaging up that report for 100% and shipping that into anecdotes for audit evidence. Through these 3 systems, an LMS, an HR system, and then cherry on top, Swimlane, it's all very easy to audit and keep track of. So I'm fired up, obviously, about Cybersecurity Awareness Month. I always get fired up in October because of that. Benny's fired up about it. He's fired up about it as well. That's Rummin with Rumsey, episode 3. Follow Swimlane on LinkedIn.